Hello everyone, it's been a while since I made a review video. I have several of my just finished crafts ready to be packed and dispatched for my customers across the world, but just before that I will show them to you. If you would like to order any of my crafts, links are in video description down below. For choosing colors, the best way is to take a look at my Instagram account. I'm posting here daily my actual crafts. Also, if you would like to make any of these crafts by yourself, check for the PDF templates. Let's start with these two minimalistic card holders, which I call Shroud. These two are made of vegetable tanned Pueblo leather. One is in navy color with white stitch, and another one is in color called Nacionale with orange thread. Card holder has couple slots, main slot for several cards. While it's new, you can probably fit up to 6 cards, but leather has ability to stretch, so if you need to carry more cards, you can push in more and after some time leather will adjust. And slot for folded bills or your mostly usable card. Next I have very similar card holder, which I call Double Shroud. This card holder also has a main slot for cards and other than regular Shroud, 2 slots outside, where you can carry a few folded bills or mostly usable card. As this card holder is made of 2 separate leather pieces, so it can be done in 2 colors. These 2 are made of veg tan Pueblo leather, Nacionale and Cognac color with yellow stitching, and Hortensia color and Cognac color inside with Havana brown stitch. And the last one is made of veg tan butter leather in blue and whiskey colors with orange stitch. These two in colors are almost identical, just the texture of leather is different. And the last set of card holders, which I call Rift. Here I have them in 2 sizes, 7 cm high and 8 cm high. Here you can carry US dollars folded just once, and card slots on both sides. I also have a variation of this card holder with 2 pockets on each side. If you are going to buy my PDF template, you will find a pattern for all 3 variations in one file. These 2 card holders are made of vegetable tanned Pueblo leather. Larger one is in navy color with white stitch and a smaller one in black with dark blue stitch. Pueblo navy is really dark blue, almost black with kinda blue tint, as you can see here if to compare it to black Pueblo leather. And the last one is full black, made of Minerva vegetable tanned leather, which temper is kinda similar to Pueblo leather, just the surface finish is different. And lastly, I want to show you this padded watch strap. I just recently started making these with special templates and I'm really happy how it looks. Exactly, this one is made of black Horvin shell cordon and reversed black inside, stitched with the beige thread. Straps can be made for regular watches or for Apple watches. That's it, guys. If you are interested in any of my crafts or PDF templates, check for links in video description. Thanks for watching and until next time.